So thank you for taking the time to watch this another LoadProof video case study. This is a very interesting OEM manufacturer, right? They manufactured flooring products, so they had some really nice, beautiful hardwood floors, that specific right shade of hardwood that you wanted in your home, right? I mean, it's a brown or a cherry or a what do you call it, the coffee color, hardwood. And also they had some very cool technology. For example, the vinyl laminates, and there were also bacteria resistant vinyl laminates, right? So really cool product, a lot of R&D involved, and they also had multiple acquisitions, right? Even in Europe, and they had some carpeting, another carpet company that they had acquired. So really awesome product, and they had that nice niche that they've been dominating for a long time, right? It's a very old company, started in 1915 or something like that, and they had all this, and it's close to $700 million in revenue. Huge company, and they were doing all kinds of things, right? I mean, obviously, if you have that flooring products, they sold it through the home stores, retailers, big box home retailers, and then they also had, shipping products to the construction sites, right? I mean, building construction, commercial and hospital. That's where all this bacteria-resistant vinyl laminates were useful. Carpets, right? And they had a really nice business in a niche area, not easy for people to get into, and they had multiple facilities, and they were like, getting really frustrated with these chargebacks. And at that time, Virgil was the warehouse manager that reached out to us, and then we, right away did a demo, and then Craig Glenn joined along with them. At that time, Craig Glenn was the logistics coordinator, and eventually, right, she got promoted to, the supervisor, and we got, many such success stories as well when they implement LoadProof. Even in the other example that I mentioned, John got promoted, twice. And we have another, Danish, that's another awesome story as well. He got promoted twice too. So it's a lot of interesting stuff that we've accomplished or help our end users accomplish with LoadProof. So with these guys, they have this nice, beautiful hardwood, floors that they were shipping, to construction sites, building, construction sites, as well as, selling through the retailers, right? And it was nightmare. It was a big number, and they were very frustrated. They reached out to us, and we set them up for the first site, and they right away saw the value, and started saving so many dollars, like multiple millions, and then they turned it on in the other facilities. I think they had at least two more. One in Florida for sure, and then there was one more in, I think, Houston, Texas, or something like that. But I mean, reach out to us. We'll provide more information and a detailed case study, and of course, we can give testimonial from their side as well. Video testimonial from their side as well. So if you are shipping a product similar to this, right, and you're shipping both to direct to customer construction site, flooring sites, or selling through retailers, you're having challenges, we'll be happy to help you. And also, right, these hardwood floors are expensive stuff. I mean, the last thing you want is you build such a beautiful home, you put all your love and affection and building such a nice home, and the last thing you want to see is that hardwood floor with blemishes, right? That's not what anyone wants. So that's a big deal, and it's expensive stuff, and it's highly what do you call, emotionally stuff that connects with people emotionally really well. Because right, nobody wants a bad hardwood floor in their home. So those things, we were able to save a lot of dollars, right? Again, four major savings, due to having that streamlined system implemented. Everything is within 10 seconds, and then similarly. Also, retail chargeback, that's a big savings, especially from the big box home retailers. That those numbers are big. And then also the faster processing of freight claims and also rejected loads, right? All that we were able to save. And then there are many intangible benefits, right? I mean, that's a lot of your reputation is saved. That's a huge one. And then we have actually not only this, we got many flooring products, OEMs and distributors in our customer base. So please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help. We can share a detailed case study on how the savings numbers were accomplished, and also the video testimonial, and also the vertical specific information that we can share. Best practices. I mean, we got so many best practices and many of our customers have implemented, found it so valuable, right? So reach out to us and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.